It's all gone very quiet. Are you ready for your next band, Waddfest? That's hardly ready, really, is it? Are you ready for your next band, Waddfest? That's a bit more like it. These boys here are all, and girls, by the way, there are some here. That looks like a girl to me. They're all from, no, she does, actually. They're all from Cranbrook School. We've got ages here from 14 to 18, okay? But I must tell you that 2 of these guys and girls are off to university, okay? So this might be the last time you might see this band play together. But there'll be that big reunion gig in 2030, or whatever it is, right? When they've all finished university. These guys, what? Rock, folk, sort of alternatively folky. There's no way to describe this band except by saying, give a big Waddfest welcome to the Nomads!
One intro, wow. So, anyway, yeah, we're the Nomads, and this is a song called Winter Winds. The wind, it's along with lonely hearts. Oh, the warmth in your eyes cut me into your arms. With love, no fear of the cold that led us through the night. For every kiss, your beauty jumped night down. We'll be washed and very warm day, my girl. And this life we were given will be left for the world. The flesh lived in love will be eaten by plague. So let memories be good for those who stay. The shame that sent me off from the God that I once loved was the same that sent me in